Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we have a good one for you. I got a complete frame-off, restored 1962 Chevrolet Biscayne. It's got a 409 with a 4-speed in it, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have questions on this, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help you on this 1962 Chevrolet Biscayne. We're going to take a look at it here. Like I said, it's a frame-off restored car. Absolutely gorgeous and beautiful white with light blue interior. The motor was built by Lamar Walden, and it has 380 horsepower. 380 horse, 409 with the 4-speed, and we're going to take a look at it here. What a gorgeous car this is. Take a look at this passenger side first here. Really, really nice. Headliner's all in good shape. Got nice floor mats in it. It is a heater delete car. Heater delete on this car right here. Heater delete. Shut the door here. We're going to take a look inside the trunk. All inside the trunk's finished beautifully with the spare tire and the jack equipment. Really looks good there. Really, really nice and clean on the inside of the trunk. All underneath the mats look good. So, shut the trunk lid here. He's going to start it up for me. Really looks good. I'll show you this driver's side door here. Cut it off here. Put it up in gear. It's got the tack on the, let's get the sun tack. That's really nice. Just a really, really clean car. All the interior's in great shape. Headliner in great shape. All right, I'm gonna shut the door here. Door shut easy. Show you underneath the hood here. Like I said, it's powered by a 409, and it's got the 4-speed. Really, really clean. Don't forget, it is a heater delete. Heater delete there. This car was built for one thing and one thing only: to go fast in one direction. So, pretty cool car. Super nostalgia car here. Shut the hood and take one more quick look at the 1962 Chevrolet Biscayne with the 409 and the 4-speed. If you have questions on this car, give us a call, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page for more cool muscle cars just like this one. All right, we're going to take this beautiful car for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1962 Chevrolet Biscayne for a test drive and see what this car is made of. Got a little bit of traffic going on today. They ain't never stopped us before. Horn works. Show you the turn signals working there. There you go. All right. As soon as this traffic lets up, we'll be ready to go. Everybody must be going home today. I don't know. Here we go. tack.
It's the right tack. Damn witness, you just can't get away from it.
No, I know. Back here, like we do every time. I'm gonna have Dad get on it just a little bit and we'll see what this 409 and 4-speed are made of. All right, here we go. Got excellent power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running and driving car.
Yeah, that 409 sure is sweet.
Yep.
It has great torque.
Yes, it does.
Horsepower. Love it.
So, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars just like this one. All right, we're almost back here. Like we do every time, we're going to show you what it looks like underneath. If you have questions on this car, give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com, and here is the underneath.